My dear students, all of you are welcomed on BK Teacher channel. Dear students, as you know that your examination is drawing nearer and you have to face your board examinations, particularly the students of class 10th CBSE board. So, I would like to give you some hints how to prepare for your board examination, how to prepare for your final examination. Especially as you know that English is my subject and I will give you some hints in Hindi also. Dear students, first of all, you have to read a paragraph. Different paragraphs will be given in your question paper. You have to read passages will be given in your question paper. You have to read it carefully. You have to understand it carefully, and below the passage, given passage, there will be question answer, and you have to solve all the answers carefully. And in this way, those questions may belong to the paragraph 100%. Some of the questions may related to English grammar also. So you have to be careful while you write your answers in the board exams. After that, some fill in the blanks, some tricky questions, and some phrases, some items, some phrases, some other things, some structural sentence-based questions will be given in your question paper. So you have to study it, you have to labor hard so that you may solve all those questions. And after that, notice writing, article writing, letter writing, paragraph writing, and advertisement should be decorated. Advertisement, how to write an advertisement. Keep quiet. Advertisement, how to, you are watching advertisement on TV screen, on mobile screen. How can you create advertisement yourself? You have to write the processes of advertisement. Suppose, and narration, voice, transformation, synthesis structures, it should be finished. I am going to give you some of the examples of narrations, speech, whatever it is also called a speech. Ram said to Mohan, you are writing a letter. You have to change it into indirect narration. Hello boys, Ram said to Mohan, you are writing a letter. You have to change it into indirect narration. Ramesh, Ram said to Mohan, you are writing a letter. You have to change this sentence into indirect narration. How can you change? Can anybody reply me? Ram told Mohan that he was writing a letter. He was writing a letter. No, as I told you, object of reporting verb changes. 1, 2, 3. The first person of reporting verb changes into the person of the subject. No. 1, 2, 3 formula. Second person changes into the person object. Third person, no change. No. Sohan said to Mohan, you have written a letter. Sohan told Mohan that he had written a letter. Present perfect will be changed into past perfect. Sita said to Radha, you ate a fruit. Sita told Radha that she had eaten a fruit. Because simple past will be changed into past perfect. Because simple past will be changed into past perfect. When your sentence will be related to imperative sentence in which request, order, suggestions, advice will be given, then you have to change it according to rule given in your grammar book. Maki, I would like to tell you, my teacher said to me, bring a glass of water. You have to change it into indirect narration. My teacher ordered me to bring a glass of water. I said to my father, come and join us on dinner table. I requested my father to come and join us on dinner table. No, Mohan said to his elder brother to give his pen. Mohan requested his elder brother to give his pen, to take his pen. In the sense, if your sentence belong to interrogative forms, then Ram said to Mohan, are you writing a letter? Ram asked Mohan if he was writing a letter. In this way, अगर यस नो में आता है आंसर, यस नो में कब आंसर आएगा? अगर आप जैसे कि आप जानते हैं इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस दो तरीके से होता है। एक हेल्पिंग वर्ब से शुरू होता है, इज, एम, आर, वाज, वेयर, मे, माइट, कैन, कुड, शैल, शुड, विल, वुड, डू, डिड, डज, हैव, हैज, हैड। ये इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस इनसे शुरू होता है। और दूसरा WH क्वेश्चन से शुरू होता है, व्हाट से, व्हिच से, हाउ से, वेयर से, व्हेन से, होम से, हु से, हाउ से, हु से। ये सब ये WH क्वेश्चंस हैं। इसको एजेंट्स भी कहते हैं कुछ लोग। तो अगर आपको हेल्पिंग वर्ब से कोई भी सेंटेंस शुरू होता है या इजम आर वाज वेयर से शुरू होता है, ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब से शुरू होता है, उसका आंसर यस या नो में आता है। जिसका आंसर यस या नो में आता है वहाँ इफ या वेदर लगाकर हम इंट्रोगेटिव बनाते हैं। जैसे कि माई फादर सेड टू मी, आर यू गोइंग टू स्कूल? माई फादर आस्क्ड मी इफ आई वाज गोइंग टू स्कूल। देखा आपने? अगर यह रहेगा माई अंकल मिस्टर वर्मा सेड टू मी व्हाट इज योर नेम? मिस्टर वर्मा आस्क्ड मी व्हाट माई नेम वाज। इस तरह से भी बनता है। मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, इस पर आप ध्यान देंगे तो नरेशन अच्छा जाएगा आपका। अब देखिए, वॉइस से संबंधित क्वेश्चन आपको बोर्ड एग्जाम में आएंगे, फाइनल एग्जाम में आएंगे। ही राइट्स ए लेटर। वेरी सिंपल, दिस सेंटेंस बिलोंग्स टू प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट, then you have to use subject plus V1 or V5 plus object. This is the formula of present indefinite. If you have to change it into passive voice, my dear, then a letter is written by him. अब he wrote a letter. This sentence belongs to past indefinite or simple past. A letter was written by him. He is writing a letter. This sentence belongs to present imperfect or present continuous tense. A letter is being written by me. I am writing a letter. Ramesh. Keep quiet, keep quiet. Dear students, I was writing a letter. You have to change this sentence into passive voice. A letter was being written by me. I have written a letter. Ramesh, you have to change. I have written a letter. This sentence should be changed into passive voice. A letter has been written by me. अगर एक्टिव वॉइस मेन वर्ब से शुरू होता है, जैसे मान लीजिए ओपन द विंडो, मेन वर्ब से शुरू हुआ, माने कि यहाँ यू सब्जेक्ट छुपा हुआ है, या मतलब कि लेट द विंडो बी ओपन, ऐसा लेट प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस प्लस बी प्लस V3 से बनाते हैं। और दूसरा आसान रूल है, द विंडो शुड बी ओपन। कॉल ए डॉक्टर, ये भी कॉल जो है मेन वर्ब से शुरू होता है। ये आपको ये क्या कहिएगा, इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस है। ऑर्डर से कंसर्निंग सेंटेंस है लेट ए डॉक्टर बी कॉल्ड या ए डॉक्टर शुड बी कॉल्ड। थैंक यू वेरी मच। आज के डेट से इतना ही।